The 2016 Toyota Sienna does just about everything an average family needs it to do. It provides a spacious interior with plenty of seating and is complemented by a very stylish exterior, not usually found on minivans. This 2016 Sienna's interior is modern, spacious, and filled with lots of comfort and convenience, while the second row passenger gets as much leg and headroom as the front passengers. Not only do they get tons of room, there's also more than enough cargo space in the rear for all the gear, making any road trip in this Sienna a great one. Our Sienna's trim level is LE. This 2016 Sienna LE comes with plenty of comfort and convenience thanks to its long list of standard equipment. Its highlight features include rear backup camera, 17-inch aluminum wheels, dual zone climate control, a 7-inch display screen with built-in Bluetooth and wireless streaming audio, Siri Eyes-Free, Sirius XM, cruise control, electronic stability control, plus much more.